BB Naija lockdown. See the moment Ozo and Dorothy were spotted cuddling in bed. The show might just be starting, but some people are already cuddling up and getting boo up. That's not really a surprise because when asked by Buka, majority of them said they are for both the money and relationship. Anyways, the new set of people that are already showing that they might be a couple is Ozo and Teresa. Ozo is the handsome guy that stole almost every girl's heart. He got a first-class honor in economics and also a master's degree. He has worked with UEFA, has two doctor sisters, and when asked about his spec, he said he loves light skin with a big ass and is majorly family and education oriented. Dorothy, on the other hand, is a 24-year-old businesswoman from Lagos. Dorothy is known and loved for her front view, and Dorothy is already trending on Instagram because of her body. As you can see, she is endowed with a lot of goodies in front side, which is making all the men go crazy and even making her trend. Now, the main point is that Ozo and Dorothy are already seen on bed cuddling and laughing together. Do you think these two have a thing already? Dorothy was all over Ozo last night during dinner. Guys, I think the Ozo Dorothy ship is already sailing right now, and we wish them the best.